Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about 7 passive income ideas that have massive earning potential this year. I think there's a tremendous amount of opportunity in each one of these. So without wasting any time, let's jump onto the ideas. Idea number 1, start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is one of the best ways to start earning from wherever you are, even if you don't have plenty of cash flow. Some dropshippers report making more than $100,000 per year. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. However, it takes some upfront investment of time. This business model involves creating an e-commerce store where customers browse and buy products. You can use platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Wix, etc. to create an online e-commerce store. What's interesting about dropshipping is that you don't have to see the products you sell physically. With dropshipping, your supplier handles everything from manufacturing to packaging to fulfillment. And since you don't need to send money to your supplier until your customers pay, there's limited cash risk. Another risk that you get to avoid is the one that comes with investing in a product that doesn't have a market. You can use a platform like Deezers or Google Trends to find trending products in different niches to sell in your store. Depending on the product you choose and your pricing, you can earn solid passive income while learning how to run an e-commerce business. Idea number 2, teach online courses. It's easier than ever for educators to sell courses online. Whether it's marketing, illustration, or entrepreneurship, you can create courses and start selling with very few limitations. Similar to digital products, you can sell online courses repeatedly without holding any inventory or stock. So teaching online requires some upfront investment in terms of time. You'll need to outline your course, record it, and make downloadable assets like templates for students to walk away with. Now, with the help of platforms like Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, Teachable, etc., you can easily distribute your courses to millions of people. You can easily find many true success stories of instructors who are earning 6 to 7 figures by teaching through these platforms. As an online educator, you can choose the class size and length. You could offer one-on-one tutoring or mastermind if you prefer small groups. Or you can even offer training sessions and live courses if you enjoy working with big groups. If you don't want human interaction, no problem. You can create fully downloadable courses that students can finish at their own pace. Whichever way you look at it, teaching online is a very profitable passive income stream with low startup costs. But initially, it would need an investment of your time. Idea number 3, sell handmade goods. There has never been a better time to sell stuff online. With over 4.6 billion people connected to the internet, the opportunity to build and scale an online business is massive. There are hundreds of online sites where you can sell. Some have specific niches like video games or handcrafted goods, while others let you sell whatever you want. Some popular online selling sites where you can sell handmade goods are Handmade at Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Big Cartel, Handshake, Ruby Lane, Bonanza. And the upfront investment is twofold. You'll need to invest in materials and time that you need to make and sell DIY goods like pottery or clothing. You'll also need to create an online store with either any of these platforms or your website to showcase and distribute your products. Selling from your own store reduces the amount of fees you pay on each sale, plus you can create a brand for yourself. The benefits of building a brand compound over time as you build an audience and connect with more customers. But on the other hand, you may have to invest a lot in ads and SEO. to bring traffic to your website. Idea number 4, become a blogger. Starting a blog can be a challenging venture, but the blogging business model is only becoming more successful as a passive income stream. You don't need to be an internet celebrity anymore to earn money online. All you have to do is find your people on 1 or 2 platforms and then send them to your website. It takes a little bit of time to build a blog, but if you create quality content and promote it through your platforms, you'll build an audience big enough to monetize. You could easily earn passive income from blogging by selling affiliate products, creating sponsored posts, selling your own products, running ads through Google AdSense. And the best part, you don't even need any design or coding skills to start a blog. With the content management system and tools like WordPress, you can get a blog up and running in no time. You'll need to invest time in creating an online SEO marketing strategy and producing and promoting the content. Know that your efforts will be rewarded. This idea has the potential to make you earn more than $30,000 per month, depending on how you monetize the blog. Idea number 5, start a YouTube channel. It's still not late to start a YouTube channel. A whopping 74% of adults in the US use YouTube. That's a lot of eyeballs to capture for passive income. The catch? It's a lot of upfront work for little to no return in the beginning. Yet, if you're a long-term thinker and don't mind front-loading your efforts, the income potential of a successful YouTube channel is huge. Affiliate sales, sponsorships, branded integrations, and AdSense income can all add up passively as you accumulate content, clicks, views, and grow your audience. Take the story of YouTuber Ali Abdaal as an example of what's possible. So within 4 years, Ali was earning more through his YouTube channel than through his job as a doctor in the United Kingdom. In 2021, Ali earned close to $400,000 in just the YouTube AdSense revenue and a whopping $4.7 million revenue from other YouTube-related income streams. Idea number 6, sell NFTs, non-fungible tokens or NFTs. They're unique assets that are stored on a digital ledger. The beauty of NFTs is that the asset you store can be valuable. You can create NFTs for anything, including digital designs, photography, music, games, GIFs, or even videos. Creating an NFT is quite easy these days. You can use platforms like OpenSea to create an account and follow the step-by-step minting process, which involves some additional gas fee though, but it's not that much. Although it's a relatively new industry, NFT sales have skyrocketed past the 10 billion mark. It's still not late to get into the space. Just know that there's an upfront investment involved in both minting fee and the time you will need to create the NFT that will sell well. Idea number 7, rent out your car. Your free space is not the only thing you can rent out to earn passive income. You can also offer your car for rent with a service like Turo. If you already use your car for Uber, you can sign up with platforms like Carvertise or Rapify to earn extra money as you take trips down the town. Another option is to look for someone who needs a car for Uber or Lyft. So instead of actively driving around in your free time, you can pull up a Netflix show while your car works for you. That's the kind of ideas I had here for this video. I hope you found some value. I wish everyone best of luck. If I had to start over again this year, these are the areas where I would focus on. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe down below for new videos every single week. Thank you again.